This video introduces how to design an AP placement plan for a site using the AI heat map function on Ruijie app. After understanding the design requirements for a wireless network in a hotel or office, you can use the AI heat map function on Ruijie app to quickly design an AP placement plan and generate a bill of materials. With the AI heat map function on Ruijie app, you can upload the floor plan of your site, choose the required products, and instantly visualize the Wi-Fi coverage map based on AP placements. After logging into Ruijie app, tap Product, BOM, and AI heat map in sequence. Select a scenario and enter the name. Tap Upload to upload the floor plan of the site and name it. If no floor plan is available, use the sample floor plan for experience. After uploading the floor plan, enter the floor name. Select the measurement method, enter the actual area and floor height, and tap OK. The walls will be automatically identified according to the uploaded floor plan. Method 1. Customize an AP placement plan by selecting APs. Design your plan by selecting APs that meet your requirements and budget. Tap Add Product, select the desired APs, and tap Add. Place the APs in their correct positions to see real-time changes in the Wi-Fi heat map. Tap here to switch to the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi heat map. Tap here to view the list of placed APs. Tap Configured. On the page that is displayed, you can modify the floor name and scale. Select a plan to set the unit, Wi-Fi heat map color, and AP icon size on the Wi-Fi heat map. If multiple floors are involved, you can add client loads for those floors. Tap Create, add additional floors, and upload their floor plans. Method 2. Generate a professional AP placement plan. Enter the client load of each area, and leverage AI for accurate AP placement. Choose Auto Placement, Professional Placement Plan, and start Professional Placement in sequence. Step 1. Set critical areas. A critical area is an area on the floor plan with specific client load requirements. Select the area where users require internet access. Tap Add Client Load, enter the area name and select or enter the client load, and tap Save. If multiple critical areas have the same client load, you can set the client load for these areas in batches. Tap the Batch Add tab, select the critical areas, and tap the Batch Add button. Enter the area name and select or enter the client load, and tap Save. Step 2. Set AP-free areas. An AP-free area is an area on the floor plan where AP placement is not required. Tap Next. The AI will automatically identify areas that do not require AP placement and mark them with black frames. If an AP-free area identified by AI requires AP placement, you can select the area, tap Delete Area, and tap OK. Tap Next. Verify the AP placement settings, and tap Start AP Placement. Based on the AP placement requirements, AI will generate 3 AP placement plans: Professional Edition, Ultimate Edition, and Standard Edition. The upper right corner of each area shows details on accessible clients and critical clients. Tap here to switch between the 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi heat map. Select a plan and tap Apply BOM. Method 3. Generate a quick AP placement plan. The AI quickly identifies the floor plan and generates the optimal AP placement plan with a single click. Choose Auto Placement, Quick Placement Plan, and start Quick Placement in sequence. Based on the AP placement requirements, AI will generate 3 AP placement plans: Professional Edition, Ultimate Edition, and Standard Edition. If the generated plan includes a critical area or an AP-free area that was identified incorrectly, tap Edit to modify it. For details, see Method 2. Tap here to switch between the 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi heat map. Select a plan and tap Apply BOM. After placing the APs, if you need to add gateways, switches, or other devices to the project, tap Add Product to select the devices. After confirming the AP placement plan, tap Export to view or edit the product list. Topology, AP placement on the floor plan, signal simulation, and plan highlights. Tap Export to export the AP placement plan in Excel, PDF, or Word format. To follow this issue, comment on our video or send an email to us. See you in the next video.